Good morning, friends. Happy Friday. All right. So it's the 8th day of May. This is how you write it, 5-8-2020. It's also right there. We have 2 more days until Mother's Day. All right. Be extra kind to moms. They do so much for us. They love us when we're happy. They love us when we're mad. They love us when we're nervous. They love us at any emotion, when we have any kind of emotion, okay? They will always be there for us, okay? These are the digraphs that we've been reviewing all week. We know these really well. We've all been writing amazing sentences. And we're ready for kindergarten, my friends. I'm so proud of you. All right, Pigeon is standing on number 152, 152. You are 152 days smarter, my friend. Okay? We will review the sight words that we've covered so far, and there are quite a few, in a moment, okay? So don't forget to check in with your emotions. Let moms, dads know how you're feeling. Are you happy today? Are you sad? Are you mad? Are you excited? Nervous? Worried? Every emotion is important, okay? The important part about when you're mad, though, is to feel it, but not act on it. So if you're mad, don't try to, take it out on somebody else. And by that, I mean, try not to hurt somebody else, okay? You can always feel mad, but don't act on it. Don't try to get somebody back or try to hurt them as well, okay? You don't want them to feel mad or sad because of what we've done to them, okay? That's very important, okay? All right, TK friends. Let's take a look at our daily checklist. Friday, May 8th. All right, TK Spirit Day. Wear your Team TK shirt to our Zoom meeting today, okay? We have an AM page, a math page, and writing, which is a free write because it's Friday. All right, TK, let's get started. I already went over calendar. Just want to show you. We have tomorrow, Saturday, and then Sunday. That's Mother's Day, okay? Tally marks, 8 fingers. All right, so far I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 sunny days and 1 cloudy day so far. Your calendar weather chart will probably look different because every city has a little bit of different kinds of weather at different times, okay? This is how you write today's date. 152. And just in case you missed it, we have Evan and Graham under the April tooth, and we have Evelyn under the March tooth. We don't have anybody under the May tooth yet, okay? All right. This is our AM page. I am happy. I am happy. So I just try to make my own little happy emoji. You can draw yourself being happy. Trace it, cut the sentence out, and place it where it belongs, okay? All right. So let's look at our math. Let me get my board so I can write on it easily. Okay, here we go. So the picture is a clue as to what we're going to be talking about. Looks like we're going to be talking about balls. And let's see what friends we're talking about today. We're talking about Reese and Graham. Reese and Graham. It says Reese has 4 green balls. So I colored the 4 green. Graham has 4 orange balls. I colored the 4 orange. How many balls do they have in all? Oh, there's in all. That means we're adding the balls together. We're not taking any balls away. That's subtraction. This is addition, okay? That's why in our equation we have a plus sign, an addition sign. We want to find the sum, the total, what's in all, okay? And we're talking about balls, okay? So this is my picture. I have 4 balls that belong to Reese and 4 orange balls that belong to Graham. So here's my number line. Do you remember what number we start with? That first number tells us. So we start here. Okay, that 4 tells us where to start. Now the other 4 tells us how many spaces to jump, okay? We're gonna jump 1, 2, 3, 4. I like to circle the 8 because that's gonna be my total, okay? And if we count the pictures that we drew, the balls, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Yeah, we're right. 8, 8. You're doing it correctly. All right, now here, write the equation. I highlighted the little lines to better understand where the numbers go, okay? So the first four, Reese's 4 green balls, goes here on top of that green line. Plus orange coincides with Graham's 4 orange balls. 4 plus 4 equals 8. All right, and the answer is 8 balls, because that's what we're talking about, okay? We're not talking about chickens, we're not talking about sharks, we're not talking about any of that. We're talking about balls, okay? All right, TK friends, that's your math, and you have a free write. I haven't written my free write yet, but I promise to have it ready by our Zoom class so that I can share my writing. So I hope you have your writing ready to share by the time our class starts, because I think it's really nice that you get to share and read your sentences with your friends. Then they get ideas about what they should write as well. All right, TK? Oh, but before I go, I want to show you the words that we're learning. Well, we have learned. This is this week's word. Am, okay? It. Me. This. By. For. Had. He. These look different because I have them at school. Down. Up. So far, that's what we've learned. I think we have 2 more new words, and then that's it. And then we're going to review. And then Mrs. Naruki and I will test you on the computer, just like we did at school. We'll show you the screen. But in this case, we're going to share a screen. We're going to do one-on-one Zoom classes, okay? And you're just going to practice those words. And any other letters or sounds that we need to know, rhyming words as well. And I think that's about it. All right, TK friends, have a great weekend. Oh, it's starting to get sunny here now. Should I change it? No, I'm going to leave it. I'm going to leave it, just like we do at school. In the morning when we work on calendar, we record the weather on our graph. We record what we see at that moment, okay? And then the weather changes as the day goes on. That's just the way it is. That's science. All right, TK friends, like I said, have a good weekend. I hope to see you in class. And happy Mother's Day to all the mommies out there. Bye-bye.